Welcome back. Let's think about what a production possibility frontier might look like for multiple individuals. This is starting to move towards the idea of what does society's production possibility frontier look like. In a different video, we set up 3 examples of PPFs for individuals, Jordan, Peyton, and Riley. Jordan was good at mowing lawns, and in a day can mow 4 lawns or cook 2 meals. Peyton is okay at both, can cook 2 meals in a day or mow 2 lawns. And Riley is good at meals and can make 4 meals in a day or mow 2 lawns. So what happens when we put all 3 of them together? So let's set up our PPF. So I'm going to draw this kind of large. So if you've got a PPF for these 3 individuals, and let's put some numbers on it. So we've got, let's see, lawns and meals. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can set yours up at the same time I'm setting mine up. We've just put some numbers on it. So what happens if all 3 of our individuals, Jordan, Peyton, and Riley, put all of their time in the mowing lawns? Well, Jordan will mow 4, Peyton will mow 2, Riley will mow 2. So if they all mow lawns, 8 lawns get mowed. But what if maybe somebody gets hungry and they need some meals? So somebody needs to cook some meals. Okay, who should do that? Well, if Jordan's good at lawns, maybe we should just let Jordan continue to mow lawns. If Peyton's okay at both, maybe come back to Peyton. But Riley is good at cooking meals. Okay, so if somebody's good at something, well, let's have them do that. So let's move Riley from lawns to meals. So if Riley stops mowing lawns, that means that 2 less lawns are going to get mowed. But now 4 meals are going to get cooked. So we can find the spot that matches up to 6 lawns still being mowed, but now 4 meals being cooked. So this is the first part of our production possibility frontier. Right? This looks a lot like Riley's production possibility frontier. Gives up 2 lawns, gets 4 meals instead. Well, what if folks are still hungry? So what if Peyton moves from mowing lawns to cooking meals? So, okay, now Peyton moves, so we give up 2 more lawns being mowed, and now we get 2 more meals being made. So we get sort of an intermediate case. This looks a lot like Peyton's production possibility frontier. And then finally, what if we were to move Jordan from mowing lawns to cooking meals? That means if we move Jordan, now we're going to give up all 4 of those lawns, and we're only going to get 2 more meals in response. So now the line drops off even more quickly because moving Jordan from lawns to meals means we give up a lot of lawns and we don't get very many meals. If you notice, what happened? When we moved Riley, we gave up 2 lawns and we got 4 meals. When we switched Peyton over, what happened? We gave up 2 lawns and we got 2 meals. What happened when we moved Jordan? We gave up 4 lawns and got the 2 more meals in return. These are like their 3 PPFs all combined together. But here's the key idea here. Note that when we moved Riley, our first person, right? So move Riley. What happened? There was very little opportunity cost. What about when we switched Peyton? Right, so when we moved Peyton from lawns to meals, now it was sort of a very technical term, a so-so opportunity cost. All right, give up 2 lawns, get 2 meals. Kind of a so-so opportunity cost. And when we move Jordan, now it was a very high opportunity cost of meals. Giving up a lot of lawns to get that last meal. So if you notice, this isn't a straight line. It's a curved shape. It's a bowed production possibility frontier. Why is it bowed? Well, it represents the changing opportunity costs as we move through the spectrum, the increasing opportunity costs. Hopefully now you're getting a feel for why these production possibility frontiers are usually drawn as bow-shaped lines as opposed to a straight line. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.